Good morning everyone. Welcome back in this class. Today I am going to discuss about the most important topic of class 10 science, that is the resistivity. Under the previous session we have completed the concept of the resistivity and formula of the resistivity and the material classified on the basis of the resistivity. So in this sequence we will discuss in this video some numerical problem which is based on the resistivity. So now let us start. The first question of this video is given here. A piece of wire is redrawn by pulling it until its length is double. Compare the new resistance with the original value. So we know that resistivity is equal to the resistance into area of cross section by the length of wire. So we know that here rho equal to R into A by L. So here is the resistivity equal to resistance into area of cross section by length of wire. So in this question, piece of wire is redrawn by pulling its until its length is double. Compare the new resistance with the original value. So here is given volume of its material is same. So volume of materials is same. So the resistance, if the resistance is double, then the area of cross section gets half, because we know that resistance is directly proportional to the length of wire and resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So here is the volume of materials of wire is remains same. So the resistance, if the length of wire is double, then resistance, if the length of wire double, then area of cross section will get half. So it is clear that volume of material of wire is same. In this question is given here, its length is double and piece of wire is redrawn by pulling its length until its length is double. So it is clear that the resistance of wire is depend on the R is proportional to the L and R is inversely proportional to 1 by A. So it is clear that R is proportional to L and R is proportional to 1 by A. So resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section and resistance is directly proportional to the length of wire. So in this question the length of wire is double. So if the length of wire is double, then the area of cross section also will gets half. So according to the resistivity, we know that R equal to resistance of wire. The formula of resistance in the term of resistivity, R equal to rho into L by A. So suppose that is the first equation. Now in this question, according to this question, length of wire is doubled. So new length will get here. Then new length, suppose that new length is here L dash. Then length is double. Then new length will get here twice of the original length, and original length is here. Suppose that here the new length of wire is 2 here, and area of cross section. So length of wire is double, then area of cross section will gets half of the original area of cross section. So new area of cross section, that is area cross section, original area of cross section by 2. So now the new resistance is here, that is R dash equal to R dash equal to rho into in the place of the length of wire, the new length of wire is 2L, and area of cross section is here A by 2. So we can write here R dash equal to rho into 2L by A into 2, that is R dash equal to 2 into 2, that is the 4, rho into L by A. So here is the we know that rho into L by A, that is the from first equation we can write here in the place of resistivity to length of wire by the area of cross section, that is the original resistance here. So R dash equal to, in place of rho into L by A, that is the from the first equation, that is the R. So in the place of rho into L by A, we can write here R, then 4R. So in this question, compare the new resistance with the original value. So the original value of the resistance is given here, rho into L by A, and the new resistance is here. Suppose that R dash, then the relation between the original resistance and the new resistance is here. Then new resistance here is the 4 times of the original resistance. So in this question, new resistance will get 4 times of the original resistance. So now the next question is here. Now the next question here, calculate the 100 meter long copper wire. The diameter of wire is 1 millimeter, and resistivity of copper wire is given here 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8 ohm meter. So the clue is given here, the calculate the 100 meter long copper wire. 100 meter long copper wire, and the diameter of wire is 1 millimeter. So diameter of wire is given here 1 millimeter. So now radius of the wire is, then R equal to 1 by 2 millimeter, that is 0.5 millimeter, and R equal to 0.5 millimeter, and we convert here in meter, then 0.5 into 10 to power minus 3 meter. So 0.5 into 10 to power minus 3 meter. And in this question, the length of wire is given here 100 meter long. So here the value of L equal to 100 meter. So calculate the 100 meter long copper wire. The diameter of wire is 1 millimeter. Sorry. Calculate the resistance. Calculate calculate the resistance R. So find the value of R equal to. So in this question, calculate the resistance of 100 meter long copper wire. The diameter of wire is 1 millimeter, and resistivity of copper wire is given here 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8 ohm meter. So the diameter of the copper wire is given here is 1 millimeter. So radius of copper wire is 1 by 2 millimeter, that is 0.5 millimeter, and we convert here in the term of the meter, then 0.5 into 10 to power minus 3 meter, and the length of wire is given here 100 meter. So find the value of the resistance here. So we know that R equal to rho into L by A. So R equal to rho into L by A, and the value of resistivity is given here 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8. Then 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8, and the length of wire is given here 100 meter. So length of wire is given 100 meter. So in the place of L equal to 100 by, and the area cross section. So we know that area cross formula, the area cross section is A equal to pi r square. So area of the cross section is equal to the pi r square. Then in the place of A equal to pi r square, then R equal to 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8 into 100. Then the value of pi equal to you know that 3.141. So in the place of pi equal to 3.14, and in place of R equal to 0.5 into 10 to power minus 3. 0.5 into 10 to power minus 3 square. So R equal to 1.7 and 10 to power minus 8, and 100 is in the terms of the power, that is 10 to power 2 into 10 to power 2 by 3.14 into 0.5 into 10 to power minus 3 power whole square. Then we can add 0.5 into 0.5 and 10 to power minus 6. Then R equal to, then R equal to 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8 into 10 to power 2. So here the base is the same. So adding the power here, 10 to power minus 8 plus 2 by 3.14 into 0.4 into 0.5 and 10 to power minus 6, that is 10 to power 6. Then R equal to 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8 plus 2, that is the minus 6 plus 6, and 3.14 into 0.5 into 0.5. Then R equal to 1.7 by 3.14 into 0.5 into 0.5. Then minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. So we can add here the value of R equal to 3.16 ohm meter. So resistance of the wire is that is 2.16 ohm meter. So here the diameter of the copper wire is given is 1 millimeter, and the radius, so the radius of wire, that is the 1 by 2, and in the term of meter, then r equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So length of wire is given here 100 meter. So value of the resistance here, so resistance is in the term of the resistivity, we know that r equal to rho into L by A. So here is the resistivity of copper wire is given here, that is the value of resistivity of copper wire is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8. So in the place of resistivity, put the value of resistivity is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Length of wire is given here 100 meter. So in the place of L equal to 100 meter, and the value of area of cross section. So we know that formula the area of cross section, that is the A equal to pi r square. So in the place of A equal to pi r square, then put the value of phi equal to 3.14. We know that here, and radius of copper wire is given here 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So in the place of the radius of wire, put the value of r equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 square, then 3.14 into 0.5 into 0.5, and 10 to the power minus 3 power 2, that is the 10 to the power minus 6. So we can add here r equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 plus 2 plus 10 power 6. Then find out, calculate here the resistance of wire is the value of r equal to 2.16 ohm meter.